Stock market news today. Dow plummets over 1,000 points, Nasdaq and S&P 500 sink as global sell-off intensifies. Plummets over 1,000 points, with Nasdaq and S&P 500 following suit as global sell-off intensifies. Concerns over the U.S. economy's health spurred this sell-off. Nasdaq Composite declined over 3.5%, with S&P 500's losses reaching around 3%. Wall Street's fear gauge, the CBOE Volatility Index, soared to its highest since March 2020. Treasury yields dropped. Global market sell-off was fueled by a lackluster U.S. jobs report, raising concerns about delayed Federal Reserve interest rate cuts. Almost 100% of bets predict a 0.5% rate cut by September. Major companies saw significant declines. Apple fell 4%, Nvidia dropped nearly 13%, and Tesla declined over 3%. Bitcoin also sank more than 8%. Asian markets mirrored the sell-off. Japan's Nikkei 225 faced a historic 12% drop after a surprise interest rate hike. The yen's rise against the dollar triggered heavy selling. Are pricing in more interest rate cuts as weaker economic data raise recession fears. By January 2025, over 5 rate cuts are anticipated, aligning with economists advocating a policy shift. Bitcoin faced its worst week since FTX's collapse, dropping 14.85% over the week and another 7% in 24 hours. Ethereum saw even heavier losses.